Welcome back. This is my second video. How exciting. This clip's gonna be really short. I just want to show something real quick. I finally got my signed Leave On To Your Stray Kid albums and I'm really excited. So yeah, I've already looked at them, but I just want to show you. I got these photo cards. I think I got like duplicates of everything. Yeah, I got the same Changbin photo card, which I already have. I got the same Jisung photo card, which I actually didn't have, so that's fun. And I got this Changbin photo card, which I already have, and I have just Jisung photo card, which I already have. So most of these, well, pretty much all of them will be up for trade, so that's exciting. And then, onto the fun part, these. I waited, oh my god, it must have been at least like 3 months or 4 months, because you could pre-order these, and I guess the only time you could order these was like before Christmas, and they didn't do this event until January, so it took a long time. So I bought both because I can't help myself, and happily 2 different members signed it. That was like my biggest thing. I didn't care who signed it, as long as I got 2 different signatures I was gonna be very happy, so I am. And then yeah, so this one, I believe the special page is Minho, which makes me super happy because I think in my 3 versions I did not pull Minho, and he's my bias. So that's good news. I'm really happy that that came out. And then for the signature, I don't know if you'll see it, but it's Jisung, which is super awesome. I'm so happy with that. I feel so scared touching it. I don't want to touch it, but yeah, so I'm just gonna put that back in. I think I'm gonna order like cases, like display, like CD display case thingies. I'm gonna order 2 so I can like show them. And then this was the first one that I opened. I think the special page is Hyunjin. It is, which is, I don't think I've ever seen this. So when I opened it, I was really surprised because from what I remember, my special pages in my 3 other albums are Jungin, Changbin, and Chan, I believe. So that's fun that I pulled, or was it Sungmin instead of Chan? One of the 2. So all of the 5 albums that I have all have different special pages. So that's cool. And then for this one, this was the first one I opened, and when I opened it, I fell to the ground and curled because it's Jungmin's signature, and it's so cute. I'm gonna turn around to see it. It's so cute. I saw it and I immediately like was so happy because I love him, and this is basically just telling me that I need to start collecting Jungin photo cards. So yeah, so that's exciting. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show in this clip. Yeah, yay. Now I'm gonna have to do this for every Stray Kids album that comes out. I'm just gonna have to buy extra versions with their signed CDs. But yeah, okay, thank you, bye. Hello everyone, this is a very random unboxing that I'm gonna be doing. My Reminiscence Everglow album finally came in. I bought from My Music Taste because it comes with My Music Taste photo cards and a poster. I guess I accidentally got the poster. So yeah, so these came outside of the package. I don't know if they always do or not. This is like my first My Music Taste photo card or album purchase, but yeah, so I pulled EU and Yuren, which is, well, the EU one is exciting because I collect EU and Asia, so I'm probably going to trade for this one and then have to buy 2 others, which is super exciting. But yeah, so that's really fun. It's so pretty, and the backs are really pretty too. Like, they're all purple. It's beautiful. Everglow does a really good job with like packaging. They've always had like beautiful packaging. Like, it's like a lenticular on the front cover. I think these are like the limited edition that has like gold on the pages, and I think after that they're not anymore. But yeah, so I'm gonna attempt to open this poster. I don't know what this poster is. I don't know what it looks like, so let's put that to the side for now so we can see them. No, I don't know what's here. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so you get one group poster and you get one single member poster. So this is the group poster. Wow. It's too big. It's huge, but I'll just like slide it across. It's super pretty. They all look so pretty. It's a huge poster. My goodness. That dress is really pretty. Ooh. Okay, and I think I pulled Anda as the member poster. Ta-da! Oh, that's super cute. I don't really collect posters, so I'll probably sell this. But it's super cute. I love her hair. It's so cool. She always has like the coolest hair, and it goes all the way down to her boots. That's so cool. This is a really long poster. Well, I didn't know it came with 2 posters, so that's cool and exciting. Put that to the side, and then we'll open the album. So yeah, I collect EU and Asia, so I hope that's who I pull. There's a few different things in this. There's the photocard, and then there's like the calendar postcards, I guess. That's what they are. So there's like 2, there's always 2 everything per member. So there's 2 calendar posters per member, and there's 2 photo cards per member. And I only bought 1 album, so that's my fault for trying to collect 2 members. That's what I get. It's super cool looking though. Oh, that's sick. On the back has one too? Oh, it doesn't move. That's the same as the, it looks, no, it's not the same as the poster, but it's really similar. That's super pretty. I love that they did that. Whoa. Oh my, oh, that's so, oh, hello. Oh, wow. Look who I pulled. I've always gotten really lucky with Everglow. I always pull either Asia or EU for everything. So this is really good that I pulled her, because now I just need 2 more EU things. And I can trade this one for something, either her, I think that's a stand, for either her or Asia. Oh my goodness. I'm October. I'm laughing. This is perfect. Wow, she's so pretty. I love you. Okay, so well, this has been, I think that might be everything that's in here. Is it like this? Oh, it is. Oh, this is super pretty. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Oh, there's something else here. I think that's like the card. And it shows you a number of like how many they made. So I guess that one's 4,924. I don't know exactly what this is, but it's really pretty. It's on cool paper. Okay. Oh. You're joking. Oh, it's June. That's my birthday month. Oh, that's too funny. Okay, well, is there 2 photo cards? I think there might be only 1. Oh, that dress is so pretty. And she's so pretty. Oh, there she is. It's not the same photo. My goodness. Oh, Honda. Beautiful. Whoa. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. I'm just gonna say that 20,000 times. Wow, this is a really nice album. Like, so I can't believe I pulled pretty much almost everything Asia and EU. My first Everglow album, I pulled Asia? No, I pulled EU, I think. And then in my second Everglow album, I pulled Asia. So I just always pull them, which I'm not complaining because it makes it easier to collect them. Wow. It's so pretty. Oh. Whoa, that's cool eye makeup. That's super cool. So yeah, I think it's only one photo card. Which I guess makes sense because there's only 5 members. If there was more, I would like it more. That's such cool. I love the layout of this album. It's so pretty. Ta-da! And then the CD. Whoa, that's cool. What the? Okay. So yeah. So that's Reminiscence. I pulled the only thing out of everything that I have for trade would be this year-end thing, because I'm keeping both of these and both of these, and then I have to collect the 3, or the other EU and the other Asia postcards. Then I have to collect EU's other regular card and EU's other MMT card, and then all of Asia's cards. So yeah, that's fun. But yeah, so that was my Everglow haul. Yay! Okay, next will be a lot of more unboxings, as per usual. Okay, bye. Hello. Okay, so we got a bunch of things. This is an album. That's what it feels like. And then there's a bunch of trades and purchases, and there's a few off camera that have addresses on both sides, so I can't show them. So yeah. So we'll start with the album first because I have no idea exactly what it is. I've purchased a few albums online from people before, but it's been a while. It might be the Yellowwood album, the limited Stray Kids Yellowwood album, or it might not be an album at all. Okay. Thank you for trading with me. I hope it arrived safely. Please let me know when you got it. Oh, is this show new? I think it is. Oh my god, I'm excited. It has Crayola washi tape. Sorry, that's hilarious. If I'm thinking correctly, this is Shonu's lyric book from Follow, which has been something. It is. Okay. Ta-da! It's been something that I've been needing for so long. I don't know how to get this out. This is really good packaging. But like, please note the Crayola washi tape. That's amazing. Yeah, I opened about 8 Follow albums because I bought a set of 4, and then I gave 3 to like my friends, and then I bought another set of 4 for myself. And I did not pull this lyric book ever. I am so happy right now. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I traded someone for Kihyun's, oh my god, because I really wanted this. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put this in my binder, and it's gonna be beautiful. It's my favorite thing. This is my favorite man. He's so... Sorry. I'm just gonna cry over Shonu, as one should. Hello. Sorry. This isn't... I don't think anyone wants to see this. It's so important. It's so important. Okay, that's it. Thank you for trading. I hope Kihyun gets to you soon. Yeah, that's beautiful, and I'm so happy. I'm gonna put that to the side. I guess, did they put their name? Oh, it looks like there's freebies that I graciously overlooked like an idiot. Oh, there is freebies. Okay. And look at these. Oop. They're so cute. Oh my god. What are these? I don't know what these are. They're in a different language. But they're so cute. I love them. Oh my god. I love getting... Okay. So that's fun. I guess I'll just leave it like that. Because there's no name on it, so I'll have to figure out who it is later. So then we got this cute one that has a little I don't even know what that is. A cat with a banana on its head and some really cute duck tape. Oh, I'm a big fan of washi tape. And really funny washi tape is my favorite. If I can even open. I'm very bad at opening envelopes. Ta-da! Okay. Goodbye. Ooh! It's stashing. Oh, is this a sticker? It's a little Hello Kitty sticker. I don't know if I'll focus. Ooh. That's cute. And a little Twice photo card. Whoa, Diane has like blue hair. That's pretty. Alright, so this says, hope Diane gets to you quickly and safely. Please let me know when she arrives. And that's their Instagram handle. So yeah, I have pretty much almost everything. Oh, I have all of Chico's cards of What Is Love. I know that, except for the scratch card. And I have most of Diane's, but I don't have the scratch card either. So I was able to trade with someone for the scratch card. So that makes me really happy. Because these are super cute. And I was just never able to pull them, which was sad. And I just can't. There we go. Now she packaged this. I won't take it out of this, but there's Dahian in her glory. Super cute. I love the two little buns. Okay, so yay. I don't know if Momo has gotten to you yet or not, so I hope that she does, and I guess I'll just put this off to the side. So it'll go right there. And then next we got this blue one, very blue. Ooh, that opens very easily. And that looks like something shown as it usually is. Yeah, I don't know exactly what this is, but I guess I'll find, oh boy, hello. Oh yeah, I bought a bunch of things from someone. So yeah, this is from like their Tony Moly or their lip tint stuff. The cute little postcard. I have a Shonu problem, I think. I see Shonu and I have to get it. Oh my god, and these are from the Kino. Because I bought the Kino photo card and I feel like I should at least have some of these because they're super cute. They're almost exactly the same, but they're different. He's standing. No, he's not standing, but you can see his watch and he can't. Very important. Oh, those have the backs on them. That's super cool. Oh yes, and then there's those Shonus, and then there's a little lip tint photo card that has like his signature on it. Oh, that's super cute. Yay, my collection of random Shonu stuff is good. I have so much random Shonu stuff. This person did not put their name. Oh, there was another sticker that fell out of the other one. Little bunny. Okay. Well, thank you. I think that was a purchase, so thank you for selling that to me. I'm very happy with it. And we got this tiny little one. Also super easy to open. Thank you. Oh. Thank you for your purchase. I hope Changbin makes it to you quickly and safely. Haley. Oh, I'm almost done my Changbin collection. And this was one of the things that I really needed because it's limited edition. It's one of those things that you can't get anymore. I was able to find it. I'm still struggling to find minerals. I can't find it anywhere. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's so cool. He's so pretty. This was such a good era for Changbin. Like that hairstyle is one of my favorites. It's so cool. But yeah, thank you for selling this to me. I think it was a really good price too, which is great. So that's really exciting because I'm almost done Changbin. I'm so close. I think I have like one thing left that I need, and that's it, which is insane. Well, of his like regular Korean PCs. So yeah. So then we have this one, which was decently easy to open. Oh. Oh. Hello, thank you so much for trading with me. I hope cute baby Changbin arrives to you quickly and safely. Yay! Yeah, this was a trade. I forget what I sent them. It wasn't Stray Kids. It was something else. It might have been Hyunsuk from CIX because I still had a photocard of this that I didn't need. But yeah, this was one of the cards that I needed of Changbin still that I just had never been able to find. And it's super cute. Oh, I love Changbin so much. I don't even... Oh, it's from the bottom. I figured it out. But this is a really cool sleeve. I've never seen a matte sleeve in person. It's super cool. Oh yeah, here's Changbin. Little baby Changbin. So now I have both Minho and Changbin's baby photos, so that's good. So my Changbin collection is almost complete. And maybe I'll probably have more, to be fair. They'll probably be in this pile. So yeah, so next we got this pink one. Oh yeah, but thank you for trading. It's really exciting to me to get anything Changbin at this point, because I'm that much closer. She's not coming out. Oh. She's still not coming out. There we go, a flower. Oh, that's so cool. There's like dots and you can feel them. Okay. Oh. Changbin! This whole haul is just gonna be mostly Changbin. Okay. Hi, thank you so much for buying from me. I hope Changbin arrives to you safely. Also enjoy the Taemin washi tape. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, that's amazing. That's so cool. I love Taemin. I don't want to hurt the washi tape now. Oh my god, the struggle. I'm scared. I don't want to hurt the washi tape. Oh, I got it. I saved it. We're good, guys. I also kind of want to take it off. Please don't get hurt. Okay, got it. Guys, I did it. Oh, it's kind of... Okay. Yeah, this is... I think for the last few Changbins, I probably bought most of them because I was so desperate to finish. So this is one of his IMUs. Super cute. This is the era that I started standing Stray Kids, so it's a little bit sentimental, but that makes me super happy. I have 3 Changbin cards now. Let's see how many more I get. Okay, so this one has like Subway Metro washi tape. Thank you. Okay, let's make bets. Is it gender? Oh, it's not. Wow. Hi, Olivia. Thank you for buying from me. Please let me know when they arrive. Oh yeah, this was a really recent purchase that I made. I think she's Canadian, so that's why it came so fast. Oh, this is also really pretty, like, zodiac sign washi tape. That's cool. But yeah, she was selling these for really cheap, and they're super pretty, so I couldn't help myself. They're the Twice Halloween lenticulars. Oh, they're so pretty. I love that it goes from black and white to color. I could just do this all day. Just do. Oh, but thank you. Thank you for selling them. It was just really lucky that, because she was only selling like 3 or 4 of them, so it was just really lucky that 2 of them that she was selling happened to be the 2 members that I collect. So that was really good. Let's open a few of the offline ones. So this one is from Hong Kong, and it's 2 photo cards. That's what it says on the package. I don't know why that's important that I state that, but yeah. Oh, it's more Twice stuff. There was no note, so we'll see. Oh, yeah, it's Jihyo. I bought these because they're really cheap. She's so cute. I'm crying. I love her. But these were, I don't exactly know what these were for, but they were really, really recent. But yeah, I still need to get Dahyun's, but yay, more Twice stuff. This person's is not on this package. So I guess I'll just do that and hide the address to keep it in frame. Let's open this really big one. No idea. Oh god. Okay. Hi, I'm sixwindflower.trades. Thank you so much for trading with me. I hope my sticker arrived well to you. Please DM me when you see. Oh! It's a Twice sticker. She received hers a long time ago and I was worried that this was never gonna come. I was wondering why it was in such a... It's because it's so delicate. Mine was also in like 3 top loaders and cardboard as well. But it's the What is Love stickers. Because I pulled 2 of the same sticker in both of my albums. And I would like to have stickers that have Jihyo and Dahyun in it. So I think this is Jihyo and Momo, which is super cute. Now if I can just figure out how to get into it. Oh yeah, there we go. Ta-da! Oh, it's so cute. But yeah, I think mine were Momo and Junyoon, I think. So yeah. So now I just need one. Well, I might collect all of them that have Jihyo and Dahyun in them. Or I might just collect one of each. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, so that's really exciting. I'm glad that they finally arrived because I was really scared that they weren't going to. So thank you so much for trading with me. Oh my god. Okay. Let's just go ahead and open all of the ones that have addresses on the back while we're here. Asi Minho. Hello, thank you for buying from me. Hope the card arrives quickly. Oh, it's 2 cards. And it's in a really pretty purple sleeve. Yay! Oh my god, that makes me so happy. I've been needing these cards so bad. So this is such a pretty color sleeve. I've never seen this before. Anyways. Minho's I Am You. He's so cute. And his mixtape, the like behind version. That's really exciting. That's really exciting. I've been needing these for so long. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna put that there. But thank you for... I buy all of these for some reason. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is why I'm broke. This is very much why I'm broke. Okay. Next. This says Dahyun right on the card, so I wonder who could be in this. Oh, it's washi taped, of course. Ta-da! Hey, thank you so much for trading. I hope she will arrive safely. Lottie from Baby Trades. Let me know when she arrives. I think this is 2 pieces. It is. Yeah, she wanted 2 of my I want to say it was Feel Special PCs that I had. That looks like a holo card. But it's a signal card. Oh, it's a signal holo card. No, duh. Okay. So yeah, 2 more Dahyun. Oh, I didn't know it was textured. Oh, that's so cool. So yeah, this is Dahyun's signal. Oh, there's a little character in the back. That's so cute. But yeah, this is Dahyun's signal holo card. Super cute. And this is the Twice coaster lane 2. yellow border card, which is super cute as well. So yeah, thank you for trading. Oh, I always need more Dahyun. I'm very low on Dahyun. On the older ones anyways, the older albums. I have all of her Feel Special PCs, except for like one. I'm missing one, and that's it, which is insane. Okay, so there's one last one that has an address on the back, so we'll see this one. Oh, yeah, I knew this one arrived. Okay, so this is Jiho's The Year of Yes. Oh, well, hello. Oh my god, it's Chewy. What is this? That's so pretty. It's literally just, she literally just printed out a photo of Chewy and wrote on the back of it. That's actually genius. She says, hey, thank you so much for the trade. Please let me know when you have received Jiho. And that's her @ We'll see. I'm not gonna try and read her handwriting, but super cute. Oh, and there's so many freebies. I'm crying. Okay, this is the cutest card I think I've ever seen. All of Jiho's The Year of Yes photo cards are super cute. And I only have 2 of them, but I really want, obviously, all of them. Oh, but it's so cute. And Chewy's super cute. Okay, let's try and get these freebies out so we can look at them. I see what looks like Jennie and Lisa. Yeah, it's like a sticker. Jennie and Lisa sticker. And then there's a Billie Eilish sticker. And I think it's another Billie Eilish sticker. And then there's a little postcard. Which is super cool. Great lyrics. Okay, well yeah, thank you for trading. Oh my god. I think I'm trading her a Chewy Year of Yes PC that I pulled, so that makes sense why she gave me Chewy. She probably just prints out like 1,000 of these and just writes. That's smart. If you had like one of those printers, that's a good use for them, I think. Okay, so then we got, my thing is like full, but we got this light blue one. And I can't open it, of course. I struggle. I'm always so scared to cut them open and then cut something important. Okay. Ooh, fancy. Thanks so much for trading with buying from me. Hope this arrives to you safely. Please let me know when you receive this. Taste trades. Oh. It's Minho. Oh my god, it's his other mixtape. Now I have both. Yay. I'm so happy. That means my mixtape collection's complete because I think I have both of Changbin's. And it looks like there's some freebies in here, so I'm gonna attempt to open this. It's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, that's so pretty. And then there's one of these. Oh, Rujin. And then there's Minho. This is such a funny photo card. It almost doesn't look like him, but obviously it is, but it's so cute. Oh, yay. Well, thank you. I think this was a purchase. Yeah. But yeah, thank you for sending. Oh, my collections are progressing so well this time. I got so many Minhos and Changbins. Changbin. And a bunch of Jiho stuff and Dahyun stuff. And Shonu stuff, of course. There's always Shonu stuff. There's never not at this point. What is my life? Okay, this one feels thick, so I'm excited. Let's see what's in this one. I think we have one other. Oh no. Oh, it's exploding. Okay, well this says hello. And it's super cute. It's like little sticky notes. There's a bunch of them. That's cute. What else is in here? We'll look at all the freebies. Oh, I see Jiho. Not Jiho. What am I doing? J-Ho? Cute. That looks like red velvet. Also cute. And I'm just gonna rip this open. Oh, more little, more little things. Okay, that's it. And then there's, this is a super cute little envelope. Oh, yay, yay. I think I bought this, but it's the last CIX card that I need. It is the last card that I need. I have every other Younghae BX card up to date. I'm so happy. Oh, that's the best. This has been so long since it's since I bought it. I'm not sure if I bought it or traded it. But yeah, it took so long to get here that I almost thought it got lost. But I'm so happy. And thank you for all the freebies. They're super cute. Oh my god. Oh yeah, thank you so much. I'm so happy with that. It took so long to get here. Oh my god. But I'm not upset. I'm just super happy that it finally came. Okay, and then we got, I think, the last one. But I'll double check just in case. I'm pretty sure this is the last. It has a broken sticker. What was it supposed to be? Oh, like a little character. That's too bad that it got destroyed. That really sucks. Oh no. This. Oh, I know what it is. Yay. Better safe than sorry. That's so funny. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, this is the Bandit Yeon photo card that I could not find anywhere for the life of me until just recently. Someone wanted to trade with me for the one that I had, which just never thought that was ever gonna happen. So I'm super happy that it did, because these cards are so hard to find. There's 3 members that you can find their photo cards everywhere, and then there's 2 members that you can't find, like, anywhere. That's super cute. I'm so happy. This is like the cutest photo card ever. Like, I saw this photo card. I wasn't gonna collect Yeon. I was just gonna collect Sungin, but then I saw this photo card and I was like, well, guess I gotta collect her now because she's my bias wrecker and she's super cute. She's also best friends with Chungha, which is really cool. Oh, she's so cute. I'm so happy. Yay! Okay, that was a great, most likely end to the haul. I'm gonna double check to make sure I've opened everything. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I hope this was fun and a bit better than last time. I'm still trying to get used to the whole recording thing, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. This was a very big haul of a lot of different things. I might film a putting my photo cards away video. I don't know if that's something people would want to see, but yeah. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.